and what you may buy, it may give them a boost during this pandemic.
Yeah, today is the first of many only in Connecticut stories we're bringing you during the holiday season. NBC Connecticut's Kayla Birchall shows us how you can support your community and complete your shopping list from the comfort of your own couch.
2020 has been totally bizarre.
Like the rotation of a potter's wheel, the pandemic has had us spinning.
I mean, the first part of the year, I felt like I was just in a fish tank. I work in front of my windows, and I was just waving at people with the shop door closed.
Similar to many small business owners in Connecticut, Lindsay Meeklem-Dean has had to mold her work around pandemic precautions. But the so-called vegan potter has stayed positive.
It's been 25 years, and I'm still just as excited about making pots now as I was in the very beginning.
Dean's functional and eye-popping pottery will soon be for sale on the Women's Business Development Council's virtual marketplace.
I want it to be on people's tables. I want people to be serving food out of it.
A pivot the council took after having to cancel their holiday pop-up shop.
I really want to say we are all in this together. Let's use that same energy and let's support women-owned and all small businesses right now.
So far, more than 60 small, locally owned businesses have signed up to be part of this shopping database. Businesses can apply to be featured now, and shopping will be fired up later this week.
When you keep your money local, you support your own community, and when your own community thrives, then that sort of gets passed on.
So not only what you buy will support local families,
and we're doing a serious happy dance.
but just browsing keeps small business owners like Dean dancing.
Like, keep me dancing all season long, because all it takes is for you to come in. You don't even have to shop. Just come in and browse around.
In Stonington, Caitlin Birchall, NBC Connecticut News.
From small businesses in Connecticut to the